Google just dropped its 10th generation of phones, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's get straight into what's new. All three models feature a refined camera bar and are made with the most recycled materials ever in a Pixel. They also introduced Pixel Snap, which is Google's name for a built-in QI2 wireless charging, opening the door for a range of new magnetic accessories. The Pixel 10 has a 6.3-inch actual display that's brighter than ever at 3000 nits. It comes in 4 colors: Obsidian, Frost, Indigo, and Lemongrass, with a satin finish metal frame and a polished glass back. The Pixel 10 Pro comes in 2 sizes, a 6.3-inch model and a 6.8-inch Pixel 10 Pro XL. Both feature Google's brightest super actual displays. The Pro models are available in Obsidian, Porcelain, and 2 new colors, Moonstone and Jade. Under the hood is the brand new Google Tensor G5 chip, which Google is calling the most significant upgrade since the original Tensor. This powers a new Gemini Nano model directly on the device. All Pro models now come with 16GB of RAM, bigger batteries, and faster wired charging. The Pixel 10 Pro XL also supports 25 watts QI2 wireless charging. So what does that new chip do for you? It enables a new feature called Magic Q. This is proactive AI woven into the phone. For example, if you're calling an airline, it can pull up your flight details from your email and display them on the call screen. While you're in a message thread, it can find the address for a dinner you planned or find specific photos to share without you ever leaving the chat. Google says this all runs securely and privately on your phone. Let's talk cameras. The standard Pixel 10 gets a huge upgrade with its first ever 5x telephoto lens, offering fast autofocus and up to 20 times super res zoom. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL gets an exclusive feature called ProRes Zoom, which pushes the zoom capability all the way to 100 times. This isn't just a simple crop. It uses a new generative AI model and the Tensor G5 chip to intelligently reconstruct and sharpen the details in your shot. There's also a new camera coach feature. Using Gemini models, it suggests ways to improve your framing and composition, aiming to teach you foundational photography concepts as you shoot. All three phones will get 7 years of OS, security, and pixel drop updates. Here's the pricing. The Pixel 10 starts at $799, the Pixel 10 Pro at $999, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL starts at $1199. If you buy a Pro model, you'll also get a full year of Google AI Pro included. Pre-orders are open today, and the phones will be available in stores on August 28. Make sure to like and subscribe.